see you next time, man. It's 3 a.m. Just landed in my hometown in Virginia. I've been traveling all day trying to get from Tulum, Mexico, which I was there for about a week before this, to here in Virginia. But yeah, dude, I am tired as shit. I need to stop traveling, bro. I've been on flights way too much. But yeah, it's like a little yearly tradition of mine. Like, my birthday is in just about a week. So I always go back home to see my parents, see my family, and be able to celebrate my birthday with them. Because I feel like it's one thing to celebrate your birthday with your friends and have a good time, maybe go out and party, whatever it is. But it's another thing to actually celebrate with the people that you grew up with and seen you all the way from your childhood. So excited to have a good time. Cold in Virginia, not gonna lie. Coming from Tulum, Mexico, where it was like 80, 90 degrees every day, this is gonna be a freaking challenge this week. Alright, back in my childhood home. This guy right here is so old. No offense, Perky. I got Perky when I was 6 years old. What did Chef Dad make? Pretty solid. Alright, first morning in Virginia. Woke up at 1 p.m., not gonna lie. But first time seeing everybody. Hello. Hello.
Miss you.
Missed you too.
How are you?
Nice.
Welcome home.
Yeah, feels good to be back. How's Cody doing? Oh, he's so dead. Oh. How's Perky doing?
Sweet, right?
If you don't want it, I'll eat it.
Oh, it's good. Alright, not gonna lie. Been in bed all day. FaceTiming Allison. But yeah, now we're about to have a family pizza night. Well, I look like I got electrocuted. You look like you're playing at a coffee shop.
Really?
Me and my mom are about to go shopping real quick. Because mom wants to buy me a little birthday gift. But yeah, it's pretty cool being able to be an entrepreneur and do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want. Because right now, it's a random 3:56 on a Tuesday. But I'm able to go out with my mom, spend some time together, and honestly even just be here in Virginia because I get to work wherever and I get to do whatever. So speaking of working from anywhere, on a meeting with my business partners and my ads guy, but your boy still got a shop. So we're gonna be in the changing room while this meeting's going on. Not gonna lie, tried all of these items. How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 14 items, plus this one right here. 15. And the only one I like are these swimming shorts right here. Gotta love the efficiency of shopping. Not exactly the highest ROI test, but you know what is pretty high ROI? Getting a $3,500 payment while I've been shopping. But yeah, like I said, I'm able to just do whatever, spend time with my parents, be in my hometown in Virginia, all while still making money without doing anything. Pretty sick, right? Now we're at Nike. This used to be my favorite store back in the day as a kid. I'd always try to go to the newest basketball shoes available. But those days are long gone. Alright, successful day of shopping. Got some swimming shorts for Bali. And Mom, what'd you get?
Sports bra.
crush grind right now.
No, it's a royal match. Yay, I win.
Nice. A little wing stop. Just finished watching for the night, but just checked my numbers for the day. I made $5,269, so pretty good considering I barely even touched work today. On to day 3 tomorrow. Day 3 in Virginia. Not gonna lie, just been in bed all day, just doing nothing. Don't really like working at home. I like to just take a break, so it's kind of what I did. But now, me and the fam are gonna get some hot pot at our favorite place, so let's go. Thank you.
Hey, happy birthday.
Okay, it is day 4 out here in Virginia. Last day. I'm gonna make the most out of it. So I'm gonna see one of my best friends, Pan. We were college roommates our first year in college, and we've always stayed tight since then. So gonna get some lunch with him. One last hurrah. It feels like I didn't really do anything at all this trip. I feel like I low-key wasted all this time just lying in bed. And oh yeah, I forgot to bring my car mount. So you're not gonna see any clips of me driving, unfortunately, but that's okay. Let's cut to the food spot. Nice. Hell yeah.
I was talking to one of my old friends from Cambodia, and I was like, there's some stuff that like our wives will never know that we know about each other.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was like, that shit is not gonna come out.
Oh no, bro.
Good seeing you, my boy.
My boy. I'll see you very soon.
Yes, sir. You better come to Chicago one time.
Well, this summer, bro, in August.
I bet.
Gotta say goodbye to all the pets. Bye, Cody. I'll see you next time, man. Alright, peace out, Perky. Alright, catch you later. Don't miss me too much.
You take care of Ali when you are here, huh?
Alright,
I'm fine when you're here. I'm positive.
okay.
Thank you for making my life happy.
Last hug. Last hug.
Again?
Alright,
For Cody.
alright.
For Cody.
Bye, guys. It's always a sad time leaving the parents and my sister behind. Feels like I just got here, bruh. But that's life for you. Lots of things to look forward to. Got my birthday in Chicago coming up. A 2-week trip to Bali right after. A trip to Austin, Texas right after that. So we're not done. We're not slowing down anytime soon. I just stumbled, that's okay. But yeah, a lot of things happening. Coming very, very soon. Probably gonna end the vlog here. Honestly, nothing crazy happened this week. Not a lot really happened, if I'm gonna be honest, but I'm gonna just post this just so that I remember this week. And always a good time hanging out with my parents and my sister, so fuck it. This is just the raw reality sometimes of traveling to your hometown. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see ya in my next vlog for my birthday. Peace.